Okay guys, ito na. Lagyan muna tayong butas dito. At mix. And tea powder, of course. And mix. Like that. Mix. You're right. Get a bit of lotion. Mix again. Right. Let's mix. Gusto pa, iinom ko to. Hindi, joke lang. Tasin ko. Okay. Okay, let's go. The moment of trip. Let's go. Hapon siya, guys. Wow. Hala na, stretchy ko siya agad. Ay, stretchy. Oh! Ano na yung asa loob dito? Pinap ko siya ng ganyan. O, diba? Nagkano siya. Okay, it's okay, guys. That moment of truth, it's okay. Ginagawa lang namin bubbles nung bata kami. Charot. The moment of truth, let's go. Una. Lotion. Unti lang. Hindi ko ganun ka. Dami. Sana mo dami. Next unting. Yan. And 1 cup of water. You're right. Ito guys, may naman to eh. Yan. Okay na yan. Hindi ko na malayang bubbles para to. Okay. Hanggang part 10 po guys. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang ilang part. Ano pa hinintay nyo? Subscribe na! Subscribe for more! Pop na natin guys. Pop na natin to. Pop. Let's go pop. Oh my god. May paman pa. Ayun.